Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the search engine here in Brave browser on a PC or desktop or laptop. So this is very easy. What you're gonna do is on the upper right corner, you can find these three horizontal lines. Go to settings and then on the left side, look for the search engine tab and then as you can see, for the normal window, the default search engine is Google. For private window, it's Brave. So to change it, just simply click change. And then here, as you can see, Brave is recommended, but like you can also choose from other search engines such as Bing. If you click this one and set it as default, the next time you search something, so for example, news. So as you can see, it is from Bing, and don't worry because the website's web articles will still show if you search for something specific. It's just that the order of the articles, like which one appears first, would be different from each search engine. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.